I'm John.
I'm Ace. I'm Rody.
I'm Bo.
And thanks to all our fans for coming out to County Line tonight. We got the beautiful mountains behind us, and it's good to be here in Albuquerque. Sorry. This is our newest radio single. It's called Kentucky. To live, I just need somewhere to sleep, and a shovel and some rope in case I'm in too deep. I don't care to understand, but I can compromise. And we've all got ghosts that live behind our eyes. It's getting so damn hard just living this way when you're pushing me away like you do. Hardest part is getting to the heart of the matter. I'm here with you. How's the weather in Kentucky? It's been raining here for weeks. We've been praying like hell and shuffling our feet. I don't care to understand, but I can sympathize. And we've all got dreams that live behind our eyes. It's getting so damn hard just living this way when you're pushing me away like you do. Hardest part is getting to the heart of the matter. I'm here with you. It's getting so damn hard just living this way when you're pushing me away like you do. The hardest part is getting to the heart of the matter when I'm here with you. It's getting so damn hard just living this way when you're pushing me away like you do. Hardest part is getting to the heart of the matter when I'm here with you. When you're pushing me away like you do, you're pushing me away like you do. Are you awake?